Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2816, that is double a number represented as linked list. And I'm so sorry that today's video is coming so late, but without wasting any time, let's just dive into the question. And this will be in the head of the non-empty linked list, representing a non-negative integer without leading zeros, and we have to return the head of the linked list after doubling it. So for example, we have to double this particular number, that is 189, so that will form 378. And so for example, we are having then 999, so we have to form we have to also to keep a track of the carry as well. So we'll be having 199 and 8. Okay, so for this, firstly what we'll be doing is to make the like solving more easier. We know that we have to always add from the right end. So for this, firstly we'll be reversing the whole list. So we'll be having 981, then we'll be adding 981 simultaneously. So like 9 and 9, so we'll be maintaining the carry as well. So if I'll just show you that 981, like then the number will be represented like this: 9 8 and then 1, and again 9 8 and then 1. So what we'll be doing is, if we'll be having a carry from this side, we'll be forwarding it to the next. So here what I'll be having is, I'll be having 8 with one carry at this place. Okay, and now it will form 16. So 16, and then what I'll have to do, I'll just keeping 7 here. So one again will be forwarded to like one carry will be forwarded to this place, so I'll be having one more here. And then at the end I'll be having 873 as its opposite, and I'll just reverse this particular thing and I'll be having 378. Okay, so this is how we'll be approaching towards the question. And now let's just quickly write the code. uh, okay, I'll just comment it out. Yeah, okay, so firstly let's have some of the variables that are firstly we'll be reversing the list, so list node reversed list, and we'll be calling a method that is reverse list, and this will be having the head variable as well. We'll be passing on the head variable, and now we'll be having list node, a dummy node, that will be equal to new list node of, let's say, 0. You can also have it for -1. And then what we'll be having is, we'll be having a list node L1, let's say, that is the same again, the number 1. So this will be reference to it's the reversed list. And then we'll be having similarly L2 will also be equal to this only, because we will be generating two copies of the same number, so that our addition will become even more easier. And then we'll be having the final list, that is this node, let's say, answer, and this will be calling the add function. Sorry, here it should be L2 instead, L2. And here we'll be passing list 1, list 2, and my dummy list, which will be consequently my answer list as well, will which will form my answer list. And at the end, what I'll have to do, I'll have to reverse it back again. So what I'll do simply a function call, that is return reverse list, and in this I'll be passing my answer variable. Okay, so now I'll just quickly write those functions: private int private list node reverse list, which will be taking parameter list node of head. Okay, and now what I'll be doing is, I'll be having three variables. You can also do it recursively, but I'll be doing it iteratively. So prev, which will be equal to null, my list node, my current pointer, that will be equal to head. And then while my current is not equal to null, what I'll be doing is, I'll be moving my list node, I'll be storing my next node firstly, list node next node, that will be equal to my current dot next. And then what I'll be doing is, I'll be updating the sum of the pointers, that is my current dot next will be equal to my prev pointer, my prev will be equal to my current pointer, and my current will be equal to my next node, and at the end I'll just have to return prev. Okay, so this was just about the reversal logic. Now we'll just quickly write the addition logic as well. Private list node add, and in this we'll be having three parameters: list node L1, list node L2, and list node dummy. You can also skip this as well. So just to make it even more clear, I'll be skipping this one parameter. and we'll be forming a dummy list at in that particular function call only. Okay, and list node L2. Now we'll just have a list node dummy. Let's say this is my answer list, and also a list node current pointer that will be equal to my answer. Okay, and also I'll need to have a carry variable to keep a track of carry, that will be equal to 0. So now, like, while my carry is greater than 0, or my L1 is not equal to null, or my L2 is not equal to null. Okay, so for this, what we'll be doing is that I'll be checking that if my L1 is not equal to null, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding carry plus equal to L1 dot var, and then I'll be moving my L1 equal to L1 dot next. Next thing what I have to do is that if L2 is not equal to null, I'll again add it into the carry plus equal to L2 dot val. You can just say that carry is our current value, what we have to do, and what like L2 will be equal to L2 dot next. And now what I'll be checking is my current dot next will be equal to my new list node that I'll be forming from carry mod 10, basically carry mod 10, and I'll be updating my carry variable as carry by equal to 10, and then I'll just simply move my current pointer to current dot next, current equal to current dot next. Now, and at the end I'll just return answer dot next. Okay, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, again accepted. Oh, I guess the bar has changed again. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.